children, welcome to Tunton Kids channel. Today we are going to make the drawing of Richard Rabbit, which is shown in the cartoon of Peppa Pig. So children, let's start making straight lines. First start with the feet and gradually join all the lines. Now draw her right hand and tail and then left hand, okay? Start drawing her face. After that, make its eyes. Now make its mouth and make its ears. In this way, the shape of the face will be ready. The drawing of Richard Rabbit is complete. Tell me how it looks. If you like the drawing, then like it. Now we will start filling colors. First, give light yellow color to its ears. Now slowly fill color in its face. Keep in mind that the color should not come out, for which we will first fill color inside the black marks. Now we will complete the remaining area as well while coloring. Now color his hand, then fill some yellow color in his clothes. Now we will add some red color to his clothes in color. His shoes also was red color. After that, color them sky blue. Now color them pink. Fill his nose and mouth with pink color and fill his cheeks with pink color too. At last, fill in green color and prepare his clothes. Now in this way, our drawing is getting ready. Tell us how it looks. If you like the drawing, then like it. Complete the outline with the help of a dark black pen. Subscribe and share it with your friends. To watch new videos like this, subscribe to our channel.